Once again. Okay, now we're recording. Hello once again from the castle.
Hello.
We had a major problem with our hot water heater. It would not stay, actually it wouldn't even light. It would,
Before, yeah.
it would say click, 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 and then go off, and then it would go click, 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 try to ignite, go out, click, click, click 3 times, and then it would stay off. And we come in here and reset it. Right here, turn it off, turn it on, and then it would do it again 3 times and off. So we replaced, I don't know, 3 parts on it to try to fix the problem. And then the last part was the computer chip board, and that was what, $200 some? Yep. $200 something, and I don't even know if that would have worked. So what we did is we just took it right out of the vehicle here. Right now I just have it covered with a plastic covering taped up right now because the RV isn't moving. But we're going to cover that up with some vinyl and make it look nice. So I'll show you what we did here in the inside of the vehicle. Down below the kitchen sink is where the water heater was below this. So what we did is we went and bought we'll show you what we bought. We bought a 4-gallon Bosch water heater. It's electric, 1500 watts. And we put it under there. That actually had a shelf here. There was a shelf down there, which I removed. Cut this framing out. I still have to put the shelf bar right in here to click the door shut. But right below the furnace there was the hot water heater. You can kind of see the daylight down there now. We piped in the water here, the cold in, and then the hot out, and hooked it right to where it was. We have an overflow here, and we piped it down, and it's going out through where the old water heater used to be. So when we want hot water now, we just come over here. We can leave it on all the time or not. The only downside of this is if you're operating, boy, it's a little hot today, sorry. If you're operating the air fryer that we have here, you gotta turn the water off because they both run on 1500 watts. Then you're gonna blow the circuit. If you're cooking on your standard gas stove, you got to worry about that. You can operate everything else in the vehicle at the same time the water heater's on. And 4 gallons lasts you quite a while, especially if your hose is out here running through the sunlight. And we've got a pile of it over here. That will heat your water up tremendously. Now, what I did, I'll show you, I forgot to show you the plug. Down in here, I put a plug right there. Hard to see. Put a plug in right there so we can plug it in. Thinking about taking and hooking a switch, like a on-off switch, so that we can just turn off the water heater, turn it on. That way you don't have to keep opening the door all the way constantly. Now, if you're camping where there's no power or driving down the road and you need water, for this situation, for us, it's not a big deal. Come over here, you start your generator. Within 10-15 minutes tops, the generator will power the water heater and you've got hot water. You can shut the generator off. Like I said, you got hot water for about 15 minutes in the shower, and then it starts to cool down. But you only have so much in your storage tank anyway. This works great. Other than that, if you got a problem with your propane water heater, this is an option if it's something you'd like to do. So thanks for watching, and we will catch you next time. Bye from the castle.